know. I don't like vehicle inspections. I don't think they provide any level of safety for the public. I think it's mostly a waste of time. I will tell you a story about I accidentally got one shut down. This was probably at least 20 years ago, maybe 25 years ago or more, a long time ago. Anyway, I was looking for a beater, daily driver type car, and I found one. I think it was like $1,500. It was a Nissan 200 SX with a stick shift. Like I said, I just wanted something to daily drive. I can't remember if it was to go to work or go to school or what. But anyway, so I found this car and test drove it. It ran. I noticed the inspection was out on it. So I said, tell you what, I'll buy it if it passes inspection. And they said, sure, we'll go get it inspected right now. Come back and buy it. So I said, okay. So sure enough, I go back, it has an inspection sticker on it. And basically an inspection says that the brakes work, the windshield wipers work, the headlights work, the high beams work, brake lights, turn signals, the gas cap is sealing properly. I think that's it. Anyway, so okay, great. So I bought the car, drove it home, and the first night that I had to take the car out, I noticed I think one headlight was working, but one was definitely not. And so my first thought was, what's my luck? The bulb burned out after the inspection, but before I got any real use out of it. So I went to replace the bulb, and I noticed that the wires to the headlight were gone. Completely gone. I don't know if an animal ate them or they corroded and rusted away or whatever, but there was nothing there. So in fact, I think the bulb was actually working. I was like, I got scammed on this, and thankfully I know enough, even back then, how to solder wires and stuff. So I think I just soldered in new wires to the headlight and got it working. But I contacted somebody and said, hey, I bought this car, asked them to inspect it. They inspected and passed it, and there's no way it would have passed inspection because it didn't have a working headlight, and it wasn't just burned out, it was missing the wiring. So I guess they went in and did a sting operation. I don't know what they did exactly to set them up or whatever, but they ended up shutting that place down because I guess they were passing cars. I don't know if they were doing it for bribe money or they just didn't care. Anyway, yeah, so again, that's why I think vehicle inspections are ridiculous. I see every day cars on the road that have brake lights out, headlights out, you name it, things that they would not pass inspection for, and yet they're on the road and they have valid registration and stuff. So I realized it is possible that they passed inspection legit and then the bulb burned out afterward, but it happens so often that I just don't think that's really truly the case. That's why I think it's essential to drive with at least a forward-facing dash cam, preferably front and rear, and if you've got the money, I would even get either side or 45-degree angle front side to protect yourself when you're driving, because you just never know what you're going to run across. And I saw a story on Facebook the other day where somebody was driving. I guess they got into kind of a road rage situation with somebody, and those folks swung in front of them slammed on their brakes and caused a wreck, and then tried to say, oh no, that didn't happen, and they had dash cam. And anyway, the person that got hit, I guess they thought they were gonna, get out of the car and be like, oh, I need a lawyer, ended up going to jail for reckless driving or something. So, dash cam saved the day on that one. And I can tell you from experience with mine, there's been times where I have seen something with my eyes. Obviously, you have somewhere probably around 180 degrees of vision, plus your head is rotating, so you have even more. Whereas your camera is fixed, and a lot of the best ones are about 170 degrees of view from a fixed location up on the windshield somewhere. You don't always get the sides. Cars coming in, maybe doing something dangerous or stupid until they're right in front of you.